big burnout, so give him some time.
That's why I'm kind of, when I like hit the brake.
You can go ahead and inch on up, get closer if you want. But get yourself ready. Let him do his stupid thing. Child. Okay, he's coming up now. All right, now remember how to do this. This is the hardest part. Just come in gently. Just inch it up there. You got a little ways to go yet. Inch it up there. There we go. We're going to psych him out. Let him sit there for a little while. Go ahead and suck on this, Mike. Slow. All right, go real gently. Real gently. Go in. Just a little bit, a little bit. There you go. All right, ready? Here we go. Keep your foot in it. Keep your foot in it. All the way down. Keep your foot in it. Keep your foot down. Keep your foot down. Keep your foot down. Done. Brakes.
I think I got to 100 on the
Brakes.
ticket on that.
Get your brakes. You got to slow down.
These have good brakes on.
Yes, you got really good brakes. You don't have to worry about that.